Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? This is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorials. I am here not to do a makeup tutorial today. Yeah, something new. Yeah. But I guess a few people would be knowing that I was hosting a Q&A round on my Instagram page, and I was telling people to ask me what they want to, and I ended up collecting few questions for me to answer in this video. I know that I don't have too many questions, but I wanted to make such videos, so I thought I'll just start with the handful of questions. So here I am filming for you all guys, and let's get into the video without any further ado. So let's get started. And the first question which I have got from Maitri asks that how do you manage to look so beautiful always? I don't know whether I look beautiful always or no, but I know that if I want to look good, I make sure that I am dressed presentably and I do a little bit of my makeup, probably not too much of it, but my eyebrows and a little bit of lipstick and mascara, and nowadays highlight too. That's it, and that's my to-go makeup all the time, everywhere, and that's how I manage to look good. And the second question is asked by Nidhi. Give me some homemade remedy for pimple-free skin. Alright Nidhi, so this one's for you. For a pimple-free skin, I would like, if you have pimple or acne due to oily skin, I would suggest you to apply some if you're aware of multani mitti, that works really well for oily skin, and you'll have an acne-free skin. Also, if you want some other kind of home remedies, you should try to apply apple cider vinegar on the affected areas. Try to use gel-based moisturizers, or probably you can use aloe vera gel to moisturize your face instead of a oil-based or a heavy cream-based moisturizer. So that's another tip for you, Nidhi. And now I am here to take another question, and that is by Sonu Jain, and she asks me, who introduced you to makeup? So the answer to this is, I am not going to overwhelm myself, but the one who introduced me to makeup was myself. Honestly speaking, I am not flattering myself at all. I'll give you a short example for this. Like, it might take a while to explain you. So it happened to be like this. Like, I was a kid. Alright, so I was a kid and I used to snatch lipsticks from my mom's hand and I used to apply it all over. Like, I knew where to apply lipstick. I used to apply randomly on my lips, and of course it used to come out and all that, but I knew where to apply lipstick. So I used to snatch nail paints and I used to apply it all over my nails, and it used to just spoil my fingers and all that. But I don't know, I really feel that I was the one who introduced myself to makeup. That's what my mom tells me throughout the time when I grew up, that your interest in makeup was when you were a kid, when you were a child, and the entire makeup procedure has come up from my own self. Of course, there are people who polished me. Like, when I grew up, I learned lots and lots of techniques through YouTube. I follow Nikki Tutorial, Jeffree Star, Laura Lee, Manny MUA. These are few people to name. There are so many, like Huda Beauty, of course. So not for the technique on Huda Beauty, I would say, but she inspired me to start a YouTube channel. Next one is from Neharika, and she asks me, how do you have such an amazing skin and hair quality? Any special products that you are using? Alright, so here I would say that my skin and my hair is entirely hereditary. I thank my father for this. My father has a beautiful glowy skin, and this is why I have got a better skin. And my hair also comes from my father. My father has a beautiful silky hair, and I got my hair from him, and that's why I have a good quality of skin and hair. That's hereditary, which cannot be changed. On my hair, I just used a mask recently which Jayanti, my friend, gifted me. So that's it. I don't regularly spa, masking and all that. I don't. I only wash my hair with a normal Clinic Plus shampoo, and FMA is my conditioner. That's it. For my skin, I use clean and clear face wash. That is my face wash all the time. Or probably if the other one is Himalaya aloe vera gel based face wash. That's what I use for my face washing. Sometimes I use soap also for face washing. Sorry, excuse me for this, but yes, yeah, I do that sometimes. So I use very basic products. So if you see here also, yeah, I use Johnson's baby lotion to moisturize my skin. So now as we are growing a little older, we should take care of our skin, and the baby lotion cannot do that. So I have started using this Argan Neroli hydrating and nourishing hydrating cream by Women Cosmetics, and this is the eye serum to remove any kind of eye bags and all that, and the puffiness of your face. So these are the new 2 products which I have started using for my skin. So the next question, if I have any, yes, Charmi asks me, what is your skincare regime? Yeah, I just told that. And how do you prevent breakout associated with makeup? So that is a tricky one. Now if I think I am going to get acne or something, I immediately apply multani mitti over that. That is my to-go thing to get rid of any kind of acne which I'm going to get. I use aloe vera gel on top of it to just moisturize and soothe my acne. I don't use oily products on that. That's my to-go thing. And my skincare regime, as I told you, I wash with a normal face wash, and the 2 products, as I just told you, that's what I use. So the next question up is from Renu Rajput, and she asks me, what eyeshadow palette do you like the most and why? So I have few eyeshadow palettes which I love, but one of them is going to be definitely the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this palette. You would be knowing that I use that palette a lot in lot of my videos. Also, the other palette which I love is Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I love the shade range in that palette. Okay, so let's get on the next question, and that is another Charmi. Her name is Charmi Gajjar, and she asked me, after trying so much of makeup, do you bump into skin issues, and how to take care of your skin when we have to wear regular makeup? So I would say that yes, of course, everyone bumps into skin issues. For me, if I wear makeup for a long time, I end up having baggy eyes and dark circles, for which I always try to get good sleep, drink a lot of water. That's what everyone does, and nothing much. I always follow cleanse your face really well after your makeup. If you are wearing makeup, you should never in your life sleep with makeup. Never ever. Remove all the makeup from your face, and that's when your face is clean and you would avoid to have any issues with your face after applying makeup or after removing it. Another question by Jayanti, and she asked me which eyeshadow palette you would recommend for beginners to start with. So that is Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. So it looks like this, and it has so many colors to play with. It has all the mattes and shimmers and glitters and everything. It has beautiful colors like blue and green as well in the same palette. It has all the neutral, all the shiny and all the pretty colors you would want to have in your basic palette. And that's how you can start. So this has so many shades and still all comprised in one palette. So you can have this palette and try to create as many looks as you can. So this was it, guys. Here we come to an end of this video. I hope that you like. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to hit here and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Till then, I'll see you in my next one.